Hello.
Oh, hello.
Be really quiet.
We're hunting.
Big bunnies.
Big bunnies. 13th of October, Monday. And we are on the very northern edge of the Frank Church. And we're gonna walk somewhere around 10 miles to the Salmon River over there and see if we can shoot a buck.
We gotta get the big bucks.
We want to get the biggest buck, but not the biggest buck, because we gotta carry that.
Well, that's true. But we gotta get big bucks because, you know, hunting, you gotta break even.
And yeah, we have 5 days.
Woo!
So, see what happens. It appears to have snowed a little.
Did that
So
smidge.
we'll walk downhill till we get out of the snow, eh?
Hey. Hunting we will go. Hunting we will go. What just happened?
Oh, we found our first deer track. It's fortunate that it just snowed, so you can age the tracks very easily. And so these were from this morning or last night, and headed that way. And we've only done a mile and a half, so that wasn't so hard.
There's at least deer
Yeah,
here.
there's a deer.
Rudy Doody.
So, the odds are now greater than 0 on a big deer here. Delicious.
What you doing there?
Oh, heating up some rice and some little curry, and got a little precipitation.
Just a little bit.
Well, the good news is we won't be too hot.
Last time we came up here, and it was so cold, so I wore 2 pairs of fleece pants. Now I'm so hot. What's happening today?
Let's see. We packed up our camp at the ridge we were camping on, and we left very early this morning. And we've hiked, I don't know, maybe 3 miles to kind of this area, and we're gonna kind of we've been hunting up high, so now we're gonna transition down into where this fog is, and there's a river we can hunt in there. So but since it's dawn, we're just gonna take advantage of the time and kind of look into this basin, and hopefully the largest buck in Idaho is right there.
Right there.
That would be ideal, because there's a trail that goes down that way. And this is the first clear morning we've
Yeah.
had. So we get a proper sunrise, which is pretty exciting. It's like one of those fill up your water bottle things at the airport. Seems like a good place for breakfast.
Breakfast?
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 Maybe a little late morning swim?
No, no, no takers. This is pretty good hunting. Hot chocolate.
Pretty good hunting. Having my pink drink for breakfast. It's good hunting camp.
Quaker's finest.
Breakfast finest. Well, we hiked about 3 miles to there, and then about a mile down to a set of lakes up here. There's some good sign up there, but it's just so remote I don't want to carry a deer out of there. And then we hiked down through this brush, and that took like 2 hours and 15 minutes. We did see some elk sign and a bunch of bear sign. That was pretty cool. And now we've kind of come out of the drainage here, and then we're gonna bust up to this little saddle here and hang out there for the afternoon. That was wild. We we got to camp where we were just gonna spend the night after walking down off the ridge, and I walked out to this little edge to glass for a little bit, and right as I walked out there, I spooked a really nice 3-point buck, and it's the first deer we've seen in 4 days. And it took off, and I followed it down into this like creek bottom, but then I couldn't find the tracks anymore, so I think he's gone. But it's kind of exciting, so there's at least one biggest buck in Idaho around here. It's early morning this is our 3rd day here. We camped on this kind of ridge behind us. We're just packing up camp. Bree's getting food we hung up, and then it's a short hike up to a good vantage point, and it's also the spot where we saw the buck last night.
Okay, honey. It's day 3 of hunting. Wait. Day 4 hunting. Can you describe our morning experience?
Our morning? Oh, well, we got quite early, and then we walked out on the ridge where we'd seen the buck last night, and we sat down there and we looked and we didn't see anything. So we walked about 20 feet and we sat down and we looked and we looked. We didn't see anything. So then we sneakily walked like maybe a half a mile over the course of an hour or two. Right over the course of an hour.
Sneaky.
We sneaky walked. Oh, there's a cool looking little bird right there.
Hey, bird.
I don't know what that is, but it's a bird. And so we sneaky walked. We saw a lot of bear poop. And
So much bear poop.
Bear
Nest.
Bed. They lay down. And someone lost a mule because there's mule tracks.
And poo.
And mule poo. And we walked out of the river, and then we had a very refreshing river crossing.
Painful.
Yeah. And then we had a really nice breakfast, and now we're gonna do a slow sashay out of here.
That's right, we are. As we catch the biggest buck.
Yeah, after the quest for the largest buck in Idaho continues unabated. Right. Shall we? Yeah, I love you too.
Oh, yay!
Oh, it's moving.
What you doing there, honey?
Compacting the soil. See, I already scarfed out a landing, And now we're getting the soil compaction just right. And then we'll slope it for drainage. And then dirt work will be done and we'll call in the concrete contractors. Oh, what's after that? Oh, then we'll get the framers in here and we'll put this 4-story bungalow style hunting lodge put up.
4-story. You know, 8 square feet. 6, maybe. So cute. This is our camp spot for tonight. Topher found a beauty. Look at this. On a river. On a sandbar. Wow. You don't even know what the other options were. This is a gift.
Put the steamroller out next.
Oh, hey there.
Oh, hey there. Well, here we are 5 days later. With everything we went in with, we came out with.
That's right.
We're missing one thing.
What did we miss?
Oh yeah, we forgot to shoot the biggest buck in Idaho. We were just having so much
I
fun.
set a calendar reminder, but my phone died.
We were just having so much fun, we forgot to shoot them. I guess we'll have to shoot next year.
Maybe hot coffee will make us feel better.
No. No.
But we backpacked the crap out of this place.
Yeah. We did the 30 miles about.
Did we really?
A little less.
Wow.
We did 7 to Lake Streak Lake, 3 to Cache Creek, and then 9 from Cache Creek to here, so 10 plus 9, 19.
Wow.
And
There's
then
still a little more.
Yeah, and then not, oh, and 7 more from here. Yeah. And then not including all of like hunting, hiking.
We strong.
We strong.
Hey, W.
I love you too. Wow. Wow. Got you